today so beautiful. You can see it's all the green all over the place. It gets like right now it's for the spring. You can see all the road here. It's so beautiful. Dương ai khơi tam phlau today I just got out a little bit and the weather really good. It's not so hot, it's not so cold. Nhom ngày nay nhom chênh mà tách vì đau big or at the jet big die. I'm so happy and I'm glad to be here. And this morning nhom bài chết mình tên ngày nay ri ra xa khơi thoa mà chiết nó bật nâng là mình tên. Yes, you can see the pond and red flower there and so beautiful. Mơ khơi tắc srah này hay năng flower hay năng cà phô có hòm mình tên. And on the little road, I'm so enjoy trying a little short trip. Nhưng bạc tam phở tàu nhé cứ phiệp ri nó đòi khơi thoa mà chia tổng óc đòi sọp prong. Hope you guys enjoy with me. Khâm tha nè tổng óc nè cứ ri cho mối nhom đai nè. Cứ tê sự phiệp lõ mình tên. And I have good scenery this morning, and I just got out to the gas station and get some what I need. Cứ bật này miền tết này giờ phiếp sát mình tên hay nhom từ ta bạc lan chênh từ like gas station store. You can see all these my neighborhood red flowers here. It's so beautiful. Now, này ai khơi nhờ nơi nè phùm phong rồi bong chỉ môi nhóm cứ quạt miền ca sạch nữa. And I driving slow, okay, to let you guys see it. Nhóm bạc lan gì chứ đang bay ở khơi những óc ní. My neighborhood so quiet, surrounded by the creek. We're living on a little hill, and you can see all the green grass and reflection by the sunlight, and so beautiful house. You can see the white flowers. I khơi tê sự phiếp tổng óc này sát mình tên đầy trăng từ đôi bùn lư bẹt tết. It's nothing too high, guys. I mean a lẹ thế. Here my home, over my home, my gemak, okay. Như tè bọc nhom, chỉ tè bọc nhom mua my gemak. I just didn't have any free time yet to cut my grass take care of my lawn, mow my lawn. Okay, I've done in field, cut smell.
Waiting for Perry.
Now I'm you can hear the lawn mow. Nè, này ai lưm xin cắt smell. Hay tay ta khơi rơi hái thoa mà chiết sạch giống. You often see I share the video on YouTube, and you can hear all the birds singing in the morning. Here's the dirt here. You guys remember I prepared to do my little garden, plant something. Nè, này chăm á, đây này để nhom khắp, bay riệp chom thưa chấm ca tôi môi, okay. Here my rose flower again. Here này chia ca lap or saw. It's so beautiful, white flowers here. Cứ miền tập pound phiếp, nè, sạch nè, cứ cả nhà ca lap saw. Yeah, the lady of the white roses, she looks so pretty. And you can see my grass here growing longer, about a foot almost. I'm so busy to do YouTube and share all with you guys. I'm the world page like to YouTube. And my persimmon tree growing very well. Down the lob nhóm cứ việc đọc lọ nè. And I add another two persimmon something. Sorry. Two, my wife just bought it. Dương ban đâm bị đàm tiệt hơi. Đàm ní cứនៅមានផ្លែល្អណាស់ Yeah. You see we have some fruit already with the little guy here. យើងឃើញមានផ្លែក្តាប់តូចៗល្អណាស់ And you can see here too, this little guy. Yeah, មើលឃើញអានេះដែរ Yeah, they got a flower and fruits start now. You can see my banana tree. មើលដើមចេកខ្ញុំគឺល្អណាស់ And my grass is so pretty too. ហើយនៅស្មៅខ្ញុំក៏ស្អាតដែរ And you can see that way my son-in-law he just clean it and go to the little stem. Okay. កូនសាប្រុសគាត់ទៅតែធ្វើផ្លូវចុះទៅជ្រោះខាងក្រោមហ្នឹងអាចឃើញហើយមានការងាយស្រួល It's a lot easy to go down this stream. Yeah, he make it. He spent about a couple of days. Really clean. Now we got a little path to walk down the stream. See, it's beautiful nature, guys. Oh, it's art nah, art man. And you can see this wild flower here. And this lady beautiful too. យើងអាចឃើញការព្រៃទាំងអស់នេះស្អាតមែនទែន And they had some fruit too ហើយវាមានផ្លែវា we can eat it យើងអាចញ៉ាំបានហើយឡាញ់ធម្មជាតិមែនទែនបងប្អូនអើយ Yeah, I really love the nature. So last weekend we start to clean up here, but look really nice now. See, we put some support for the pier. They got some fruit now. I hope today, this year, we have some fruit. Okay. សង្ឃឹមថាឆ្នាំនេះវាមានផ្លែល្អ And I don't know what they call this little guy here. We try to take care him here. So we move crab apple here. I planted about a year, so just Bambi tried to destroy them. But now we moved here. Hopefully they're growing very well. They got the right place. ខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាវាដាក់កន្លែងនេះវារីកលូតលាស់បានល្អ Here guys, I mostly share with you guys for purple flowers. That's what the leaf look like. See, it's beautiful leaf. But we chop down some, but we have to get some room for that pear tree. You know, here their leaf, what they look like, it's beautiful. So, all right, guys. I think that's all about it. I share, and if you guys like it, please give me one like, comment, and subscribe and bell to get a new video like this. If you guys like it. បើអ្នកទាំងអស់នេះចូលចិត្តសូមចុច like comment ឲ្យខ្ញុំមួយផងហើយនឹងដាក់ subscribe មួយទៅចុច subscribe មួយហើយនឹងចុច bell មួយផងដើម្បីទទួលបាននៅវីដេអូប្រភេទនេះដែលបងប្អូនទាំងអស់ចូលចិត្តអញ្ចឹងក៏សូមជម្រាបលាទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខសប្បាយហ្នឹងហើយបាយបាយ Okay, thank you very much for your watching. Bye now.